What's going on, guys? It is iMvii here. Welcome back to another bike vlog on the iMvii vlog channel. There's people behind me and the truck's behind us. It's a bit embarrassing to go past them and they probably think I'm talking to myself. Okay, so we're just entering the truck. To the left, alright. So in yesterday's video I thought it was like really windy and everything, but the mic, it did well to withstand the wind. So I'm not really bothered about talking really loud again in this video. Okay. Okay. Alright. Alright. Okay, so that's kind of a big house there. I haven't been down here in ages. Right, let's go down here. Oh, see, that's good, guys. Alright. There's a gate. Two gates. I'm not hopping anything. Alright. I'm not hopping anything because I've got my bike. I'd like to see you try. Yeah, I know. And there's people in that like shack thing staring. Yeah, I used to go on the airfield, there was loads. That's when we used to be allowed to go on it.
I still go on the airfield.
Yeah, you're allowed on like the bit over there. But all this bit is owned by these people. I need to warm up my tyres, like I've only just got on my bike. Feels a little bit slippery, as you saw by that skid. I hardly tried for that, I just like swing my back end over and touch the brake a little bit. So there's a lot of tractor stuff here. Oh god.
We'll go backwards and
Yeah.
yeah.
Alright.
Let's go backwards.
There's a trail Owen knows and I've never been on it, I don't think. Well, I don't... Oh, this one down here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember going on this like, what, 3 years ago?
Yeah.
Is this the entrance? Oh my god. Are we really going down there? Or do you want to go the other way? Because... I hope I don't get a puncture. Oh my god, it's so muddy. Ugh. God. Oh, I'm wearing shorts. Ow! Why do I have to wear shorts whilst I'm mountain biking? Alright, I've just been stung. Oh god, help! Subscribe, because this is hard. This is so scary seeing all the nettles and I'm wearing shorts. Look, my legs, they're bare. Ah! Thankfully, Owen went over them all. This is hard because you've got to have power as well, or you just sink into the mud. See, there we go, I sunk into the mud. There we go. Ah. Oh god, there's so muddy here. Ah. I've never been on a trail this muddy. Ah. Oh my god. Did you fall off?
Yeah, in the middle of it.
Oh god. Okay, so we're on a bit better ground right now. This is all new.
Yeah.
Oh, my leg is so itchy now. I feel like I'm in someone's back garden. That's a public footpath as well.
Yeah, you know how that comes out?
Yeah.
The garage.
Yeah. We'll go down here, then we'll come back and go up there. It's another like trail.
Yeah.
Hopefully there's some rocks to jump over.
That's what Callum was like.
I haven't seen any rocks yet to jump. I know if we speed down that road, come down this hill, you go like really fast, so I'm going to do that for you. Alright, Owen, I'll meet you back here or something. I'm just going to speed down there really fast. Okay, so I'm just going to turn around now. Any cars coming? Nope. Here we go. Owen, move! Here we go, guys. So I'm coming down here fast. There's a river to my left and right. Don't want to fall. Quick wheelie going down here for you. That's how I've come. See, there's a river there and a river there. You don't want to fall down there, do you? Yeah.
I've rode through that.
Have you?
Yeah.
Ride through it again then.
I fell in.
Do it for the vlog.
No.
Over, I press rewind. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some ride.